In the quiet, picturesque neighborhood of Kosai in Shizuoka Prefecture, a unique house stands as a testament to innovative design and a deep understanding of family living. This home, designed for a couple and their 2 children, is not just a place to reside but a dynamic space that breathes and shifts with the rhythms of daily life. The clients desired a home where each space, though small, is partially interconnected, allowing them to sense and imagine the spaces beyond. They envisioned a pitched roof house that harmonized with the natural beauty of a wooden carved bear, a symbol of strength and tradition, and a facade that opened onto the street, inviting the neighborhood into their lives. Central to their wishes was a kitchen enclosed yet central, a hub where the family's presence could always be felt, and a design that allowed for fluid circulation throughout the house. To meet these unique desires, the designers crafted a home of misaligned volumes that create a rich, dimensional space. The first and second floors are not aligned perfectly but instead are offset, creating gaps that interplay with light throughout the day, enhancing the sense of depth and discovery within the home. The dining room protrudes from the exterior facade, breaking the monotony and creating a focal point that draws the eye. Covering these volumes with a pitched roof and enclosing them with an exterior skin, the design allows for additional gaps between the rooms and the roof, as well as between the rooms and the exterior walls. These gaps and volumes flicker between visibility and hiddenness as one moves through the space, offering a constantly changing experience of light and shadow. Inside, the organization of the home places the living, dining, and kitchen (LDK) area, along with a bathroom and workspace, on the first floor. The dining and living areas boast double-height ceilings, enhancing the sense of openness and connection. From the first floor, one can perceive the second floor, where the master bedroom and 2 kids' rooms are located. The transitioning light on the underside of the roof can be sensed from within these second-floor rooms, creating a continuous dialogue between the different levels of the house. Every small space is connected through apertures, allowing residents to feel the full expanse of their home even when not everything is visible. This intricate dance of light, space, and misalignment ensures that the experience of living in this house is never singular, but ever-changing and full of delightful surprises.